And best of all, you saved money, saved time, had fun, and avoided a load of stress.
Hey Ryan, I just want to thank you personally for offering this collection of shed plans. It's a remarkable product with tons of awesome ideas. The plans are easy to read with great illustrations, and I can't wait till spring weather to get started on my new storage building. My wife is going to be so surprised when she sees it.
Hi, I'm Mark, and I just want to leave a quick review of Ryan's Shed Plans. Bought the plans, and my son and I built a shed on his property. I could not be happier with the results. We put the shed up for at least $1,000 less than it would have cost us buying a shed kit. We saved that money and used better and stronger materials too than we would have gotten in a kit. Thank you so much.
I could give you hundreds more testimonials, but I think seeing the plans for yourself will prove just how valuable the entire collection is. Now, if you watched this far in the video, it means you want this, and you know it can work for you. If you really want to put it off a little longer, if you're thinking, I'll come back to this video later, tomorrow we both know you won't. Even if you do, chances are this deal won't be here. So take action right now. Click the Add to Cart button below to get started. Now, I don't know what your current woodworking experience is like, but whatever it is, it's about to be overhauled. Like it or not, you're going to be building gorgeous, professional-grade sheds in less time, and with higher accuracy because of this incredibly clear and complete instructions that give you a clear view of every step you need to take before you take it. Your woodworking efforts will be a thoroughly satisfying, enjoyable, and ego-boosting experience. You will no longer dread the next time you just sit in front of your shed plan. Your buddies will watch in awe as you put up your shed with the precision of a veteran woodworker. Speaking from experience, I hope you can handle a lot of other woodworkers' envy, because you're going to get your fair share of it. But actually, what you'll really be getting is their respect, admiration, praise, and a lot of people begging you to tell them your secret. You, of course, won't mind this a bit. Your account balance will start overflowing like a dike in a storm. You'll be getting offers to build sheds for your friends and colleagues, and your biggest concern will be figuring out how much to charge for your expert advice. My plans cover every single thing you need to build an impressive new shed that will get the awe and respect of the most seasoned woodworker. But you have to see them to appreciate what I've put together for you. Click the Add to Cart button below right now to get started. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, including the extremely limited time bonuses. I cannot stress enough how time-sensitive this offer is, because we're very close to our maximum membership capacity right now. And remember, you really have nothing to lose. All the risk is on our shoulders. Click the Add to Cart button below to get instant access to all 12,000 plans and bonuses. If Ryan's Shed Plans doesn't deliver what it promised, you get all your money back, no questions asked. Just don't delay and come back to find today's special pricing for this revolutionary system gone forever, and the special super bonuses unavailable because I've reached the sales limit, which is filling up fast. Do the smart thing, the right thing. Make today one that you'll always remember as a great day, a life-changing day. Take advantage of today's limited presentation offer and finally experience professional shed building as it's supposed to be. Click the Add to Cart button below right now, and I'll see you on the other side.